to all our viewers. I am Anak Pintuyan, your presenter of today. In this video, we will talk and discuss about the steps in implementing configuration management effectively. These steps are important because they help you establish your vision, and by aligning actions with visions, give your manager the best chance to succeed. If you are in a situation where you are creating a program or company that requires data collection, these guidelines help you into what you can do to start. Number 1. Establishing a governance framework and policy. These steps is about creating a service asset and configuration management policy. It is about defining rules of employees, the planned scope of the project, principles in case of conflict, and establishing the standard operating procedure. An example of this is wearing a face mask in the efforts during pandemic, or having the security team to check for identification of employees and customers before entry. Number 2. Defining rules. Everyone in the service assets and configuration should have a good understanding of their rules and responsibilities. Number 3. Determine configuration management system primary usage. This involves what processes the CMS will facilitate. It could be managing caller ID and information, or support change management like calculating risk and using data it has collected. Once it is decided and you understand the merits of each action, you can form a roadmap to prioritize which usage should be high in the hierarchy or low in the hierarchy. Number 4. Determine what types of records it will hold. After determining the usage, decide of what configuration management system will consist of. The data of CMS hold should help enable the CMS primary usage. Generally speaking, a CMS integrates information from many sources including incident, problem, change, release records, known error, knowledge management records, application, infrastructure records, and measurement reporting details. Number 5. Determine existing data repositories. Start by taking inventory of the existing data that are external and internal to IT. The data can be on a spreadsheet or in the database. Afterwards, discover the following: primary purpose of the data, location, owner, users of the data, accuracy of the data, completeness of the data, and level of data detail. Afterwards, start planning your workload for the processes using the data. And number 6. Understand what tools are available to support the process. Understand your tool inventory and what is needed for managing the CMS data and processes as a whole. This can be done through automated data collection to minimize manual errors. Number 7. Decide on configuration and naming scheme. Typically, team categorized by the type of data, and in setting naming convention, be sure to follow preferred naming convention. Number 8. Decide on configuration management system structure. This structure should align and enable the major and primary usage, and in doing so, have a balance between 3 components. First, breadth, number of families and categories configuration items will track. Second, depth, the extent to which component configuration items will be tracked. For example, the disk drives or cards within the server can be tracked as configuration items. And the third, attributes and types of relationship for each class of configuration item that will be tracked. And the last step is number 9. Establish an improvement process. It is designed to bring gradual but continual improvement. One of the most widely used improvement processes is the binning cycle: plan, do, check, and act. So, if you have questions, you may write them in the comments section below. Thank you.